At Siemens, we believe that additive manufacturing allows companies to reimagine their products, reinvent their manufacturing, and even rethink how they do business. In the medical industry, we often see the need for parts customized to fit a patient's anatomy. This is where additive manufacturing can excel. Using Siemens NX software with Convergent Modeling Technology, designers can use 3D anatomical scans to create surgical guides and other medical equipment that conforms exactly to a patient's anatomy. The easy interaction between scan data and CAD data that NX allows means the user can easily design parts that fit exactly to the patient because the patient's own anatomy is used as the basis. Customized parts, like the surgical guide we see here, mean less invasive surgeries, leading to faster recovery times for the patient. With NX, you can complete the entire additive manufacturing workflow from design to print. This unbroken digital thread allows for complete traceability of the process, especially important in the medical industry. Not only can you design the part to print, but you can also set up and execute the print process itself. Integrated build tray setup and automatic support structure generation mean that the print process can be entirely described within NX. Multiple options for support types and configuration mean that most major additive manufacturing processes and materials can be used. Having the entire process integrated into a single system also means that the data associated with each part of the process can be stored and managed in the Siemens Teamcenter Product Lifecycle Management System. At Siemens, we are working to industrialize additive manufacturing so that those in the medical industry and their patients can reap the benefits that additive manufacturing brings.